Direct iaano ko na lang kumbaga parang sinadya ba na wala pang character profile tong mga inilabas nating mga pictures ng mga bida natin? Kasi iba pa yung mapapanood nila.
I know usually ganyan natitis ang mga moviegoers, no, pag nakakita sila ng posters, photos, and lalabas na soon yung trailer namin, and makikita natin somehow yung humanity ng mga characters na yun doon pa lang kahit sa maiksing trailer. So abangan nyo yun, and then syempre when you finally watch the movie, dun yung mas ma-appreciate yung sinasabi ko na this is really about human relationships.
How is it, why is it important that right now we're blurring mainstream and indie? Is it a good thing for the industry for you, or what's your opinion on it?
Of course, the discussions right now, there are good things and bad things. No, there's so much happening. Cinema is evolving, and even the word cinema, you have to redefine it. No, I mean, most people will not say TikTok is cinema. Sa akin, cinema na yan eh. Because it's moving images, it's affecting you. People are watching it. No? In fact, mas marami nang nanonood niyan, YouTube and so on. No, so yan na yung bagong cinema. In fact, yan na yung bagong mainstream. No, and eventually siguro nga theatrical, I mean sadly ako para sa akin kasi I believe in classic cinema, but theatrical cinema might become ancillary na lang or in the periphery, no. And yet sana mag-survive siya. Meron pa rin kasi may mga taong naniniwala na iba ang experience of watching in theaters, no. So, I mean, relating that to the Metro Manila Film Festival, yan ang pinopromote natin. Tinatry pa rin nating i-revive yung classic Philippine cinema, no? That's why may festival tayo every year, and ini-invite talaga mga tao manood sa movie house. Ibang immersive experience pa rin talaga ang manood sa sinehan kaysa manood ka sa cellphone mo or sa tablet mo, di ba? Kaya maraming filmmakers, producers naniniwala pa rin doon na dapat ituloy natin yung ganitong classic theatrical cinema.
Yeah. And I think I think nga po sa mga ginagawa ninyo, it's just experimenting, 'di ba? Kumbaga parang saying yes to projects you've never said yes before is also a nod to really wanting to save this, 'di ba? To save this industry we're in at the moment. Actually, I don't even think it's saving because it's evolving.
You could say that kasi nga yun, like my friends know that parang sabi nila, oh, welcome to the mainstream, ganun ang joke na sa akin. But all my films were produced independently, but I've never been really outside the mainstream. I was already invited as one of the youngest nung panahon na yun, early 90s, sa Directors Guild of the Philippines, no, the GPI. So in a way I was an insider even though I wasn't doing television or studio, back films, but many people know me, and I knew a lot of major personalities in the so-called mainstream, diba, sa industry. So interesting nga na ngayon nabablur yung lines, and parang na-realize ko maybe it's time. So tinanggap ko tong project nito, and I was really surprised. It went smoothly, and parang feeling ko parang dati na akong gumagawa nito. Kahit na it's actually the
Felt
first
familiar.
time. Ganun na. So it's really filmmaking eh. Yun eh. Parang years of, 40 plus years na akong filmmaker. I always count the very first short films, experimental films I did, no. Sa akin yun ang una kong mga pelikula. I never say my first feature is my first film. It's really those films, no. So doon ang pinanggalingan ko, and then now nag-evolve ako. And I'm doing full-length features and now mainstream. So it's still familiar nga. Parang ang importante yung core ng filmmaking and expressing your ideas, emotions.
We're so happy that this is a positive experience sa'yo, because we need more directors na talagang mag-produce pa ng ganitong klaseng mga proyekto. And yung sinasabi nyo nga po pagdating sa Pasko, we do know na talaga yung mga pamilyang Pilipino ang hinahanap nila, diba, syempre mga kwentong pambata, tumawa, pero dito parang lahat ata makikita rin naman natin.
Yes, in a sense, kasi talagang tungkol sa tao at relationships nga itong pelikulang to. And syempre naging smooth nga para sa akin because of the collaboration, because of the support, no. I mean, I thank MQuest and Piolo and Spring Films, you know, and all the people who were involved in this, the writers, sila Moira Lee, sila Michiko Yamamoto, sila Sherrod Sanchez, ano. Baby nila to eh. Tagal nilang pinipitch tong project na to. So, binigay nila yung trust sa akin eh. So, talaga na-appreciate ko yun and na-realize ko, yun yung reason bakit nagsasucceed yung paggawa nitong film na to. Because everybody was very open to collaboration and ako mismo, nag-open up ako to, you know, close collaboration. And yun, nagawa namin ng walang hitch.
Love this. Thank you so much, Direk. So, ang lesson dun is be open. Di ba? Talagang be